Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve merge conflicts in the GitHub UI. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So now all we need to do is to simply go to our GitHub repository, and from there we can start resolving the conflicts. So basically either you can do it from the GitHub website or you can do it from the GitHub desktop, and it will be the same uh, idea or the same things. So here I'm just going to discard these changes, and here I have the history. So simply we can go to any branch where you want to merge or where you want to create merge request. So here I have two branches, and I'm just going to the test branches. And from here you can see that this branch is 5 commits behind, and we will be needing either to rebase or to merge. So here I'm just going to click on it, and as you can see now we can have uh, the test branch and merging main into test. And basically if we will go to any merge request or whatever, and we start comparing, you will find that there is just some few differences, and we can just create a pull request, and from there we will be able to merge. And whenever there is some conflict, you will find them here, and those are the changed file, and basically merged. And if we go down here and we do uh, the split here, the split view, you will see that there are some changes, and from here we will be needing just either to choose this one or this one. And here I'm just going to click on create this pull request, and from here you will be able to find these, and you can then create pull request to merge. And in case of conflicts, I'm just going to revert these changes so we can just create some conflicts, and basically it will be similar to this. You will find the head, and basically it is the current changes, and parents, which is the other commits or the other 5 changes. And from here you will be needing just to choose which changes you want to remain. Either you leave them both or you just leave the head uh, commits or the head changes. You commit to main, and basically this is how you resolve conflicts. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.